In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in OneNote. If you want to mark something as completed, outdated, or no longer relevant without deleting it, the strike through feature in OneNote is a simple and useful formatting tool. It lets you keep the original text visible while showing that it has changed status. This is especially helpful for notes, task lists, drafts, or study materials where you still want a record of what was written. To get started, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're on the page where the text you want to edit is located. If you use multiple notebooks or sections, take a moment to navigate to the correct note before making any changes. This helps avoid editing the wrong content and keeps your notes organized. Once your page is open, find the text you want to format and highlight it. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words, sentence, or section you want to change. Be careful to select only the text you want to apply the effect to, since the formatting will only affect whatever is highlighted. If you accidentally select too much, just click away and try again. After the text is highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of the OneNote window. In the Basic Text section, click the strike through icon. As soon as you select it, OneNote will apply a line through the highlighted text. That's all it takes. This formatting is useful because it keeps information readable while clearly signaling that it's no longer active. Many people use strike-through for completed checklist items, canceled plans, revised notes, or text they may want to revisit later instead of deleting right away. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that the text was selected before clicking the icon. If nothing happens, it usually means the text wasn't highlighted properly. You can simply select it again and repeat the action, and that's how to strike through text in OneNote. It's a quick edit, but it can make your notes much clearer and easier to manage, especially when you're working with ongoing projects or changing information.